I am Ashe. I am a choreographer, dance educator, performing art teacher, an artist, author, nomadic Renaissance woman.
When I think of Miss Ashe, I think of freedom of mind, living your own life and not up to other people's expectations, and not even always having expectations for yourself, just living and being free.
When I first started dancing with Ashe, I'd have to say I was kind of worried because I was like, you know, as being a taller, bigger guy, so it's definitely kind of like, what is he gonna do? Is it kind of crazy? Oh, word, that's what he's doing? Okay.
What you gonna do with that dessert? Do what, dee da, dee da, dee da. Do what, do da, dee da, do da, dee da. Do what, do da, dee da, do da, da. Do that, do what, dee da. Murder that, dance floor, dance floor.
My ultimate goal is to cultivate people's authentic personal expression. How can we find you in the dance?
It definitely changed me as I see the outlook on life. You know, let loose, you know, don't think about anything, just be you and enjoy who you are as a person.
Dancing has taught me that it's okay to feel vulnerable, to let go and be free and just be you. When you're dancing, there's like no judgment, it's just freedom and freedom in your art.
When she kind of just brought me into this whole dance world, it definitely made me just want to reach out and show other people that no matter what size, age, who you are, you can definitely dance.
I just fully believe that dance is like this great healer. It's a potent tool for people to be able to come into their bodies. The great mission and vision of VIDA is to bring dance, freedom, and love to everybody. You want to feel connected? You want to feel connected to something big and something grand? You dance.
Hey, enfin je veux dire, je sais que tu ressens ça sûrement, ça part de tout en haut. L'amour c'est tout ce qu'on a, et tu veux passer une putain de journée, ben va la putain de chercher sexy quand je roule des high dans l'avion. Mon kiff c'est d'aller au Free ou le Lamborghini, quand le moteur ronronne et que les gens